students, how are you? Fine, very good. Now let's start our today's work. Today we will do divisions of fractions. Understood? We have done multiplication, addition, subtraction. So today we will do divisions of fractions. Okay. So if you have one number and you have to divide one number into some parts, what you will do? You will divide. Okay. So here in fractions, how you will do divide. Suppose 2 upon 3 and divide by 1 upon 3. Understood? So here some changes in divisions of fraction. First of all, you have to change divide sign in multiplication sign, and then right side of fraction, that one fraction, okay, that one fraction you have to be write in reciprocal form. Reciprocal, what is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal means reverse. Numerator change into denominator and denominator change into numerator. Understood? Suppose 1 upon 3, 2 upon 5. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 5? Okay. Change numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So 3 upon 1. Okay, 3 upon 1 is the reciprocal of 1 upon 3. Reciprocal means उसको reverse कर दो. Numerator को कहाँ shift कर दो? Denominator में, and denominator को कहाँ shift कर दीजिए? Numerator में. In same way, what is the reciprocal 2 upon 5? 5 upon 2. Okay, if you will multiply any fraction with its reciprocal form, okay, so what will be your answer? Your answer will become 1. Understood? Suppose you are multiplying 1 upon 3 and it's reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 3? 3 upon 1. Always your answer should become always 1. Understood? If you will multiply any fractions and it's reciprocal, okay, not fraction, any number, otherwise you can, okay, multiply in its reciprocal, your answer always should become as 1. Same way, 2 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 2. What will be your answer when you will multiply? 1. Okay, always. For 2 will cut by 2 and 5 will cut by 5. Understood? So here, so first of all, 2 upon 3 you have to be right same way. Okay, and divide you have to change in multiplication sign, and the right side of fraction you have to be right in reciprocal form. So 3 upon 1 is a reciprocal of 1 upon 3. Understood? So here you have to be multiply, and you know how to multiply two fractions and more than two fractions. Okay, so you have to be cut numerator and denominator, and after that multiplication all the remaining numerator and denominator. So that will be your final answer. Okay, so 3 will cut by 3. Okay, the numerator here and denominator same number. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. So no one number is here. Okay, so 2 and 2 is your numerator. Okay, so 2 and upon 1. Okay, 1 no need to be right, so you can write 2 only. So here if you will divide 2 upon 3 by 1 upon 3, so what will be your answer? Your answer will come 2. Understood? So in case of division, so first of all you have to change divide sign in multiplication sign, then right side of fraction you have to write in reciprocal. Okay, always. Suppose you have given 4, so what is the reciprocal of 4? 1 upon 4. Okay, 1 upon 4, reciprocal of 4, 1 upon 4. Why? Because you know very well, if no one denominator here, so you can consider 1 as denominators. Okay, so 4 upon 1, what is the reciprocal of 4? It means 4 upon 1. Okay, and 4 upon 1 you have to be changed in its reciprocal form. So 1 upon 4 is the reciprocal of 4. Understood? So here your first one I have written here 18 divided by 90 upon 15. Here you are seeing no one denominator, so you can consider as 1. Okay, so here I am not writing, so no need to be right, only you can consider. Okay, so divide I am writing same way 90 upon 15. Okay, here in next step I am changing sign and reciprocal of right one fraction. Understood? So 90 upon 15, here I am writing 15 upon 90. Okay, so now you can cut easily numerator and denominator. Okay, any. So 18 ones are 18, 18 fives are 90. Understood? So here 1 and here 5. Understood? And what is your and something? Yes, 15 and 5 also will be cut by which number? By which number? 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Okay, so 15 and 5 also will be cut. Okay, so now what is the remaining? Numerator and numerator, 3 ones are 3, so 3, and here no one. only 1, so 1 no need to be right, so here 3 will be our final answer. Understood? So here 45 divided by 3 whole 3 upon 14. Okay, mixed form. So first of all, in first step you have to change mixed fraction in improper fraction. Understood? Then after you have to be change divide sign. Okay, here no need to be changed. First of all change improper mixed to improper. Okay, so here 14 3s are 42 and 3 45. Okay, now you have to change divide sign in multiplication sign, and then you have to be write 45 upon 14 in its reciprocal form. Okay, so 14 upon 45. Okay, reciprocal, just reverse. 14 will go in numerator and 45 will go in denominator. Understood? So here 45 and 45 is in numerator as well as in denominator, so both will be cut. Okay, only 14 will be our remaining. Okay, divide by 1 upon 7. Okay, so first of all change mixed to improper, and then change divide sign to multiplication sign, and right side fraction change in its reciprocal form. Okay, so now cut. Here you are seeing no one number will not cut. Okay, so here only numerator multiplication, numerator multiplication. Okay, so here your answer has come. So now you are seeing both fraction are in mixed. So first of all change. Okay, so now change divide sign in multiplication sign and right side fraction reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 11 upon 4? 4 upon 11. Understood? So here cut 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So now you are seeing no one number are not cut. Okay, so now 51 and 1 is in numerator, so multiply, and 11 2s are 22. Okay, here again mixed fraction, so change mixed to improper, and after that divide sign in multiplication sign and right side fraction write in its reciprocal form, and then cut. Okay, so here again you are seeing no one number are not cut by any one number. Okay, so 5 5s are 25 and 18 3s are 54. So here divide sign change into first of all mixed fraction write in improper form, and then change divide sign in multiplication sign, and then reciprocal, and then cut. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, so after that remaining numerator and remaining denominator. Okay, here last one. So here again you are saying mixed. So first of all change, and then divide sign change into multiplication sign, and then cut. 17 3s are 51, and here you are cutting 6 and 52 by which number? 2. 2 3s are 6, and you have to be divide 52 by 2. 2 2s are 4, and then 1 will be a remainder. 1 2 12, so 2s 6 are 12. Okay, 26. Understood? Any doubt? So you can divide 52 by 2 in rough notebook. Okay, then you can easily see 26 will be your written. Understood? So here now you are seeing 3 and 3 is in numerator. Okay, so multiply, and here multiplication. Okay, so 9 upon 26 is your answer. Understood? So this is your